Hey, what's up, fellas? What's up, ladies? What's going on, beautiful people? The United States of America and around the world. Hopefully, you guys are having a great day today. This is just going to be pretty much a quick video of Bitcoin price action. Just going over the price action of Bitcoin, where I believe it's going to end up and going. Um, I, you know, I'm going to explain kind of my thought process behind it. Um, this chart looks very marked up and everything like that, but I understand it, but some of you guys may not understand it. So let me just break some stuff down for you guys, so you guys can just see the main things, guys. So most first and foremost, I want to thank you guys for tuning in and subscribing. Our channel is gaining more subscribers every day. It's going slowly, but we're on our way there. Um, you know, if you guys haven't already, also, you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my podcast channel. It's called Cali Speaks Truth, also on Google Podcasts, Spotify as well, too. I also go into Cali Crypto Calls, which are pretty much my Bitcoin price speculation, as well as other altcoins as well. I also talk about business, personal, investment development as well. All right, so without further ado, I just want to go into the price action of Bitcoin, guys. Okay, so I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. Okay, it looks really marked up right now, kind of crazy, but I mark up this chart because personally, I do trade. I do day trade. I'm a day trader, swing trader, whatever you want to call it. So I understand why I mark up the chart I mark up. But basically, guys, forget about so many of the lines, especially all the purple lines here. Forget about the lines down here. I only want you to focus on this area that I'm highlighting, where you see this latest trend line over here. Many people would start it even down here. You can even start it up here. But regardless, guys, the trend line is symmetrical. Even if I started it down here or even up here, it's still symmetrical, and it's pretty much it's indicating that we're still on an uptrend. All right, we're still on an uptrend, guys. All right, so it's amazing because lots of people were getting scared, for the past few days, ever since we've hit our all-time highs, of 34,000 $884, our all-time highs, right? Many people, it's been a few days where, price has been going down. Spent the third, price has been going down since, January 3rd, and then, the fourth, and then price seems to be going back into its original impulsive nature, right? Price did retrace, and it's normal it retraced. It's totally normal. The lowest price retraced, it's not down here. Actually, the lowest price retrace was down here. So price did retrace back to around 27,400, right? So we went from 34,000 to 27,000, right? Now we're going back up again past 34,000, past 35, and my Cali crypto call, my latest Cali crypto call, I say, by the end of this week, we should see Bitcoin at 40,000, right? So that's just my Cali crypto call. You may have your own crypto call. You may have your own speculation, but that's just the way I see it. Okay. Couple of indicators here on the 4-hour chart, guys. I love looking at the 4-hour chart. I also like looking at the hourly. But really, in terms of, like, for me, getting a real general scope of, where the market is going, I do just look at the 4-hour. Okay, I like to get it kind of a broader sense. The 4-hour will tell you a clear picture. And obviously, if any fifth grader can know that this, is this an uptrend? Is this an uptrending price action movement, or is this downtrending going this way? And obviously, we can see that it's uptrending. Okay, and it's clear. All right, and it's so clear, guys. It's so clear that it's ridiculous because I see a lot of people and listen to a lot of people and also read a lot of people's comments online. And it's funny because I'm in some of these trading rooms, these chat trading rooms, and some people, I feel like they don't know what they're talking about. They kept saying, oh, around, between the last few days, even the third and the fourth, oh, will Bitcoin ever reach its all-time highs again? Will it go past that again? Are we done? And the truth of the matter is, guys, even when price really started to retrace, when it started to begin to retrace on the third, I intuitively knew that it's not going to end. Price is not going to stop here, guys. This is just the beginning. We just started. So, you know, we just started. You see this uptrend here. We see it's so clear. Okay, I made a trend line, so it's following the trend line that I made. I think I made this, a couple weeks ago, couple weeks back, but I stuck to this trend line and I made it. I haven't moved it, and it's sticking to that trend line. So that trend line is true. Price has bounced off the trend line very crisply. Like, it hasn't really gone past the trend line except from the past few, except from yesterday, when price obviously retraced back down to 27,000 for a little bit. But obviously, it gained its composure down again. Obviously, we can see that this long liquid candle over here that went down, that was bearish, turned into a pin bar. And I love those pin bars. Candlesticks tell it tells a lot. It tells a lot about what is going on. So we see price here. It's very much it's very much how should I say it? It's respecting the trend line, but not only the trend line, guys. What's really sexy about this is that price is respecting the 50 EMA, the moving average. Price is respecting the moving average. And when price respects the moving average, especially on the 4 hour, that is just beautiful, right? There's not a whole lot of noise. You can see price ever since back, last year, ever since December 16th, 2020, and all the way up till now. So it's giving you a very, very clear picture. That's why I love trading on the 4 hour. I love trading on the hour. Maybe sometimes here and there I might go back to the daily, and if I'm just getting started with a new pair or a new asset, then I might go into the weekly chart. Okay. So, we see the 4 hour chart. We see that price is respecting the 50 EMA. Okay. And it's beautiful. Okay. Price is on the uptrend, guys. And, um, if you're trying to eat off the markets, obviously you have to identify market structure. You have to be able to identify market structure. And it's simple, guys. We can see this. It's literally, if you see what I see, this is what I see, guys. Okay, this is what I see. Ever since the 16th, and even before the 16th, you know what I mean. We can even go before then, get a whole view. Back on the beginning of December, we're in an uptrend, right? Price goes up, makes a higher high, retraces back to a higher low, right? Back to its support, makes a higher high, goes and makes a higher low, makes a higher high, kind of swiftly makes a higher low over here, boom, back down, makes a higher high up here, boom, hits support, makes a higher low. Kind of like it's going up in a way, and then it's kind of like scooping like a spoon. It's almost like a spoon scooping on the bottom of a bowl, right? You see, it's going up. You see an upward trend, an upward movement, but then price swiftly scoops the support area and keeps moving up again, right? And does this again and again and again, makes a higher high, then a higher low, right? And then boom, what is price going to do? It's going to make a higher high and make a higher low. So price is going to keep it's in its breaking structure, right? Every single time you see it make a higher high, it's breaking structure clearly. So what is price going to keep doing? It's going to break structure, guys. All right. So, there's not a lot of indication that I see price is looking to liquidate, right? Or go bearish, where it's going to be selling off and going back down past 20,000. Guys, and can we take a huge second here? Can we take a huge second and look how far down 20,000 is? We're even, you know, past its all-time highs, around 19,000, 20,000. But let's take a look at how deep 20,000 is. It's way past the 50 EMA. It is way past. If price were even to go past down the 50 EMA, even a 25,000, maybe I would say, okay, maybe it's going to sell off. But it's not even below the 50 EMA on the 4-hour time frame, guys. That is a huge indicator. It's not looking to go down. Price is obviously looking to go up, guys. Okay. And so, obviously, if you're not an experienced trader, if you don't really trade the markets, if you don't really know how to read charts, or you don't know how to read, markets and stuff like that, then, you know, just know the basics that, we're on an uptrend. Just know basically we're on an uptrend. All right. Um, so that's pretty much what it is, guys. That is the price action of Bitcoin. And we're going to keep going up. It's going to keep going up and up and up and up and up. Okay. Will there be areas of retracement of price, going up like it did here when it hit almost 35,000 and then retracing back down again to 27, right? Yes, of course there will be. That's just what the market does. That's just what the market is. That's what it does. That's, basically what it's that's how the market goes. That's how any market goes with a lot of assets, not just Bitcoin, not just crypto. It goes with gold, it goes with forex, it goes with commodities, it goes with oil, it goes with anything. So whatever goes up must come down eventually. Even if it comes down a little bit, if it goes back up, cool. So we see price retrace right here, and it's looking to go up again. Right. So that's pretty much my analysis of, the Bitcoin price action for the past couple days, for the past weeks, and obviously the month. All right. So, price is looking just to keep going. All right. So price is really, it's really looking, um, like I said, guys, to keep going past, 35,000, 36, 37, and then obviously, by the end of the week, like I'm speculating, $40,000. Okay. So that's pretty much what it is, guys. All right. So that is, that is the price action that I believe Bitcoin is on. And that's where we're going. So let's see here. That's pretty much what it is, guys. Right. Let's see here. Let's see. Um, see, I was going to show you guys a little bit something. Let's see here. Let's see. Okay, and then we also see the same for Ethereum, right, guys? We see the same for Ethereum. We see the same for Ethereum here. We see price bouncing from the 50 EMA, boom, going up, bouncing again, going up, bouncing again, and it barely, the thing I love about it, guys, is that it's barely even hitting the 50 EMA now, right? The 50 EMA is basically following price going up. So basically what I what I really strongly believe is that obviously, if price were to retrace, and it did, this trend line is not really new. I think I made this, a couple days ago. It's following that trend line, right? So it may break this trend line a little bit, but obviously, most importantly, the main and initial, the most impulsive move is obviously going all the way up. Okay, so that's pretty much what it is, guys. All right. That's pretty much price, guys. That is price. That is price action. We're going up. A lot of people in some of the trading chats that, I'm a part of, people are saying, hey, are we going to pass 1100? Are we going to pass 1200? Are we going to pass 1400? Are we going to pass, is Ethereum done growing? And the answer is no. Ethereum is not done growing, guys. Ethereum just started. Ethereum, it hasn't even broken its all-time highs yet. Bitcoin, if Bitcoin's breaking its all-time highs, Ethereum has not broken it yet. Ethereum has a long way to go. And there are other coins too where, I'm invested in and seeing that they have long ways to go as well. So the main thing that I want you guys to realize is being patient, understanding that, hey, price is going up, okay? But just being patient even when price does retrace, because that's just part of the marketplace. That's just part of how it is. That's just what the market does. All right. So, be vigilant, be patient, be steadfast, be consistent. Guys, we're still going up. All right. We are still going up, guys. And it's beautiful. Honestly, it's one of the most beautiful things that can happen that you could see is just price keep going up. All right. So, you know, I don't have a crypto call for Ethereum, but for Bitcoin for sure. The call that I'm making is 40,000 by the end of this week. The end of this week, I would say, is the end of the week is Saturday technically, so we'll give it up until Saturday. Some people are like, "Man, Calvin, why don't you do Friday?" Well, Saturday the week does end then. So that's pretty much what it is. All right, so that is what I have to show you guys today. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. I'll be willing to answer for you. And leave any comments that you have below. I'll be happy to answer any questions. If you're also looking to learn how to trade and you're looking to learn how to read the market so you can time your entries a lot better and that you can, just hop in the market at a good time, or how to read the market in a way so you don't have to rely on anybody else. If you're looking at a place to learn, definitely comment in the comments below. I will send you a referral link of part of one of the places that I learned, programs that I learned. And then, we could talk further about that as well. All right. So hopefully you guys are having a happy new year. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys soon in the next one. Peace out.